Have you ever found yourself logging in and out of Canva just to jump between accounts? Maybe you use one account for work and another for personal projects. Canva's new account switcher feature is here to make that process so much easier. You'll find the account switcher under your profile picture, just below Teams. From there, you can add your various Canva accounts, whether they're for work, personal use, or a side business, and switch between them seamlessly. For example, let's say you work in a marketing role during the day and use Canva to create brand-specific designs for your employer. On the side, you're also building a small business, so you have a separate Canva account set up to handle those personal projects and designs. The account switcher allows you to easily jump from one account to the other, keeping your work and personal projects organized and making sure you're always working with the right brand assets and files. No more logging in and out. By making it easy to manage multiple accounts, the account switcher is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on your projects instead of account management. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in efficiency and reduce the frustration of switching back and forth. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.